Are you looking for the top 5 best wall-hung toilets you need before buying a wall-hung toilet? There's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Spirich Bathroom Cabinet. The Spirich Bathroom Cabinet is a stylish wall-mounted option that caught my attention with its sleek design and practical features, priced at just $64.99. If you want to maximize your bathroom storage without compromising on style, this is worth a serious look. What makes this cabinet stand out is its elegant white finish and the 2 doors that provide easy access to your toiletries. The shelves inside allow you to customize your storage, which is perfect if you're tired of clutter on your bathroom surfaces. With over 500 purchases in the last month, it seems many people appreciate its space-saving design. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A clutter-free bathroom can reduce stress, making your daily routine more enjoyable. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, if you've got basic DIY skills, it's totally manageable, and the end result is a beautiful addition to your space. This is perfect for you if you're looking to tidy up your bathroom and add some style. Skip this one if you prefer a larger storage option or have a different color scheme in mind. For the price, it offers
Product number 2, Canest Smart Toilet. The Canest Smart Toilet is a game changer in the bathroom, featuring a built-in bidet and a host of smart features, priced at $669.99. If you want a luxurious toilet experience that combines comfort and technology, this is worth a serious look. First off, the heated bidet seat and dual flush options mean you can customize your comfort while conserving water. The 1000G MAP flushing power is impressive, ensuring everything gets cleaned efficiently, even in homes with low water pressure. Plus, the nightlight and self-cleaning nozzle make it a hygienic choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its touchless foot sensor, it offers a hands-free approach that enhances hygiene, reducing contact with surfaces. Now, some users mentioned that the price is a bit steep. Here's the thing though, considering the features and the potential savings on toilet paper, it could pay for itself over time. This is perfect for you if you value comfort and advanced features in your bathroom. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer a simpler setup. For the features it offers, the price aligns with the quality. Alright,
Product number 3, Smart Silva Wall-Hung Toilet. The Smart Silva Wall-Hung Toilet is another impressive option, priced at $628.20, featuring a built-in bidet and smart functions. If you're looking for a toilet that takes modern convenience to the next level, this is worth a serious look. It integrates well with a wall-mounted tank carrier for easy installation, and its LED display adds a modern touch. The automatic flush and foot sensor make it incredibly user-friendly, especially for those who want a hands-free experience. The multiple cleaning modes are a huge plus, catering to different family needs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With adjustable water pressure and temperature, you can ensure everyone in your home feels comfortable. Now, some buyers pointed out that it requires a specific in-wall tank for all features to work. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest in the right setup, the convenience is worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize smart technology and user comfort in your bathroom. Skip this one if you want a straightforward setup without extra components. The investment can lead to a truly luxurious experience. Now, if the installation...
Product number 4, MI Gigic Wall-Hung Toilet. The MI Gigic Wall-Hung Toilet is a budget-friendly pick at just $159.99, boasting a sleek, compact design. If you want an efficient toilet that saves space without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Its yacht-inspired design not only looks great, but also maximizes bathroom space, making it ideal for smaller areas. The powerful direct flush technology ensures a clean bowl every time, reducing your cleaning effort. Plus, the wall-mounted aspect allows for easy floor cleaning, which is a big plus in maintaining hygiene. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're dealing with a tight bathroom, this toilet helps you make the most of your space. Now, some users have noted that it lacks advanced features like a bidet. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a practical, no-frills option, it covers your basic needs without a fuss. This is perfect for you if you're after a simple and clean design for a smaller bathroom. Skip this one if you need advanced features like heated seats or bidets. For the price, it's an excellent option for those who want efficiency. Next up, product number 5, Smart Silva Basic Smart Toilet. The Smart Silva Basic Smart Toilet combo is a solid pick at $468, featuring built-in smart functions for comfort and convenience. If you want a smart toilet without the high-end price tag, this is worth a serious look. With a built-in water tank and an in-wall carrier, the installation is straightforward, saving you from additional costs. The heated seat and foot sensor flush are fantastic touches for modern living, ensuring a comfortable experience. The auto dual flush technology is efficient, minimizing water usage while maximizing cleanliness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It combines modern tech with practicality, making it accessible for everyday use. Now, some users mention that the nightlight feature is not very bright. Here's the thing though, if you're not overly reliant on it, the other features vastly outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want smart features without going overboard on features you might not use. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium model with all the bells and whistles. For what you get, it's a great value. As we wrap up, remember to consider your bathroom size and needs when choosing a wall-hung toilet. Each of these options bring...
In summary, we covered 5 great wall-hung toilets, each with its own strengths. The Spearage bathroom cabinet is perfect for stylish storage, while the Canist Smart Toilet brings luxury and comfort. The Smart Silva wall-hung toilet offers smart features, and the Mijik is an excellent budget pick. Finally, the Smart Silva Basic Smart Toilet balances affordability with modern features. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a perfect fit for your bathroom